What's that? Step down on that door.
What's in there, y'all?
That's where Clemson University built the wall when they started curing the blue cheese in there. And that's where they were curing their blue cheese out.
Oh, okay, that's the vault then.
Yeah. And then if you go past it, on the other side, there's a door on the other side. I don't know if you can see it with your flashlight. I don't think mine will go that far. There's a door on the other side. If you go past that, about another probably 50 yards, 50 to 100 yards is the end of the tunnel. Okay. But it's at an angle, and you see where they were digging on it. You can actually climb up it.
And like trees coming out there.
Oh yeah. It's still pretty deep down there.
But this is forever locked, all right?
Yeah, at one time it was unlocked for a while. And you could walk all the way through and go all the way to the end of the tunnel. I don't know why they started locking it, but
probably the same reason they do everywhere.
I got a master key in my pocket.
Do goofy things and litter and want to paint stuff up.
Yeah, probably. But yeah, Clemson University built this.
Oh, there's a floodlight.
Clemson did?
Yeah, Clemson built this wall in here. A professor at Clemson realized that the temperature and conditions were ideal for curing blue cheese. And this is where they cured their blue cheese for years.
Wow.
There's the proverbial light at the end of the tunnel, yo. Yeah. Go towards the light.
How you fellas doing?
Oh my God, good. Let's go into the I'll leave the beast here.
Yeah. Stumphouse Tunnel.